Hi Bowan to everyone. Today we are preparing cuttlefish devil. So many people like to eat seafood, but they don't eat. It has some side effects. But today we are cooking the cuttlefish, reduce the side effects. Everybody subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to like these videos. Buy a good fresh cuttlefish in the market and cut the small pieces and wash. Remove the water and add into the bowl. We going to marinate the cuttlefish. First we add the salt and turmeric powder. Pepper, lime. You can add the ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon in this time. Add the chili powder and mix well. Need to marinate 3 hours. Spices are curry leaves, garlic, tomato, onion and capsicum. We need to cut like these pieces because we cooking the devil. Cuttlefish are marinated. We need to dust breadcrumbs and corn flour. Remove the water and add into the breadcrumbs. Mix well. We can get crispy devil using the breadcrumbs and corn flour. After we fry the cuttlefish. Deep fry. Add the coconut oil to pan. One by one, add the cuttlefish pieces. And remove the coconut oil using the oil paper. Now we can prepare the devil. Add the 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Add the curry leaves, garlic, add the onion, add the capsicum. Add the chili flakes to spicy taste and pepper. Add the tomato. This time we add the marinated water. Finally, we add the fried cuttlefish. After 1 minute, we have a good devil. You can see all the colors in our devil. Good spicy devil. Today I tasted steamed rice, carrot sambal and jackseed curry, name called Kalupol Malur. When you eat the seafood, you can drink the lemon juice. We can reduce the side effects in the seafoods. Everybody subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to watch like these videos. I think you have a good lunch with cuttlefish devil.